Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the testing procedures before shipping. The battery pack we are testing this time is the 40 kWh battery pack for Z0. Let's go to check the battery pack. Okay, now let's check out the layout of the 40 kWh battery pack. You can find it's beautiful. Total 4 big modules. All the hole positions are matched with the original battery case. You don't need to drill any new holes. All the power cables are wrapped with heat shrink tube to avoid insulation faults later. We have also reprogrammed this BMS so the dashboard can display the correct new mileages and no turtle appears. Now our technicians are putting the battery cover. So we make the vehicle testing later. We seal the battery cover. Okay, now our technician will install the battery pack to the car for vehicle testing. You can find the Leaf spy readings. Let's fully charge the battery first.
The next day.
Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Vietnam, China. Today we are going to make the road test of the 40 kWh battery pack on Nissan Leaf Z0. This is what our USA customer ordered. We will test the battery performance from fully charged to fully discharged. We had reprogrammed the BMS for this customer, so the dashboard can display the whole correct mileages and no turtle appears. The whole process. Let's go and find out the performance together. Now the battery pack had been fully charged. Let's take a look at the dashboard reading. Leaf spy reading. We clear all the data in order to better record data such as energy economy and driving mileages. Turn on the air conditioner. Okay, let's go. Enter the expressway. 10:59 had traveled 33 kilometers. Leaf Spy has been testing data in real time. Now let's take a look at the dynamic voltage difference on Leaf Spy when accelerating from 0 to 100. It's 11:45 now. We are ready to go back to company and have lunch. The temperature is 29 Celsius and weather is stuffy. The air conditioner is turned on all the time. Let's take a look at the road test in the morning. Now we have run 87 kilometers. The voltage is now 381 volts. It seems that we have to hurry up to test in the afternoon and try to finish the test before getting off work in the evening. After resting, let's start the afternoon test. At 2:09 p.m., enter the tourist road. 3:18 p.m. had traveled 142 kilometers. Prepare to enter the mountain road. Go up the mountain and then go down the mountain. Entering the village at 4:51 p.m. Entering the tourist road again. We passed through the Weishui Dam scenic spots, wide water surface here, surrounded by mountains and beautiful scenery. 5:11 p.m. had traveled 195 kilometers. Now, let's take a look at the dynamic voltage difference on leaf spy when accelerating from 0 to 100. .07 p.m. Entering the expressway again. 255 kilometers had been traveled. SOC is 19%. Now, let's take a look at the dynamic voltage difference on leaf spy when accelerating from 0 to 100. .35 p.m. 284 kilometers had been traveled. Now, let's take a look at the dynamic voltage difference of leaf spy. SOC is 6%. It's 1903. The car has been driving 310 kilometers and turtle appears now. The engine is turned off. Park the car on the roadside and wait for the tow truck to return to the company. Okay, after a whole day test on the road, now the battery pack is fully discharged. Let's take a look at the dashboard readings and leaf spy readings. Okay, let's take a look at the dashboard readings. You can find we had run 310 kilometers, and the remaining cruising range cannot be displayed now. The energy economy is 14 kWh per 100 kilometers. Let's take a look at the leaf spy readings. The voltage is 302 volts. SOC is 0 now. The remaining capacity is only 0.4 kWh now. Okay, that's all the data. Okay, now our technicians are packing the battery pack. You can find it's all packed in this fumigation-free wooden box. All the terminals are packed with dust-proof protective covers. This plastic film is for waterproof.